let's see what is the difference between the default agent and the default flow in your accounts. So here I'm in a demo account, and as you can see here, we have connected all these channels over here. So if you go to the settings over here, in settings, if you scroll down to integrations, and here we have integrated 5 AI models. For example, OpenAI ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Cloud, XAI, DeepSeek. And here let me open the OpenAI, and here we have connected the API keys as well. So here, if you're wondering how to connect your API keys, you can simply click on learn more over here, and it will take you directly to this particular guide. And here, if you click here, it will provide an option to create your API keys. So once you have connected your API keys for the OpenAI, you will see all these options over here, including OpenAI ChatGPT, default agents, assistants, AI triggers as well. And likewise, once you connected any other API keys from Google Gemini or Cloud, you will also see those options right here as well. Here we have this default agent right here. So the default agent automatically handles all user messages across connected channels using your business information prompt, agent or assistant. And when active, so this is the important thing, it takes priority over the default flow as well. So here, if you go to this general option over here, you have the option to choose the default flow as well. So when the default agent is active in any of these AI models, then it actually takes priority over the default flow. So, and it actually responds based on whatever the options you have chosen here. So you have the option to choose a business prompt instruction. So you can simply add any sort of text instruction right here and switch on the default agent for the AI to respond over here. And likewise, you can actually create any agents or assistant and make the AI reply as well. So here, if you click on manage right here, you can actually have the option to create agents or assistant as well. So here, when you choose on the default agent, you have the option to choose the automatic voice response as well. So the bot will auto respond with a voice if users send a voice message. So here, let's say in Instagram, if a particular customer send a voice note, and you can actually respond to them in the voice as well. So if you choose this option, so here you have the option to choose these OpenAI voices as well. So if you disable this option, what happens is that even if the user sent a voice note, it's gonna actually simply respond to them in the text format right here. So let me actually activate this one and click save. So here now the default agent is active. So here it's gonna actually respond based on the information we have provided right here. So here let me actually add some information about a company. So here Solar Bright Solutions. So let me actually add this information over here in the default agent right here. So here we have all this information over here. All right, so social media. All right, so here these are all the information about that particular specific solar company. So let me actually add that information right here. Here I added this particular prompt as well. You are a helpful assistant to Solar Bright Solutions. Your name is a solar bot. Respond to customers' question in just 1 to 2 sentences. All right. So here, continue. So here, default agent is active, and here we have this information in this business prompt area as well. So now, if we actually send any sort of messages to this particular account, and we have connected all these channels as well, so now the chatbot gonna actually respond to them using that particular solar information as well. So now let me test this on Instagram channel over here. So here let me share my mobile right here, and let me send a message. So here, if you remember, we actually put this particular chatbot name as SolarBot. So let me send a question. Who are you? So I am a SolarBot, your assistant from SolarBot Solutions, here to help with any questions about the solar energy services. Now if I send a voice note over here, it should actually respond to us again in the voice format right here as well. Who are you, please? So let me send a voice note over here. So it should also respond to us in the voice note as well. So let's successful. So now if you're wondering when you can actually use the default flow instead of a default agent. So here when you use the default agent, you can actually control the responses based on the channel. So it can actually simply respond to the customer's question in all the channels, whatever the channels you have connected right here. So if you want to create responses or AI responses based on the channels, and also you can also add wait delays as well if you use the default flow instead of default agent. And also you can have different buttons or flows connected there as well. So let me show how to do that right here. So let me go to the settings over here. In settings, let me go to the integrations and make sure to switch off the default agent, because even if the default flow is active, you can choose any of the flow over here. But if the default agent is active, then it can actually respond based on this particular information. So it is important to switch off the default agent if you are planning to use a default flow right here. So here, Let me go to the flows section over here, and let me actually choose one of the free templates over here. And here we have these. Let me choose this one, AI chatbot lead generation plus customer support template. So let me actually make a duplicate of this particular template and make changes accordingly right here. So here, let me rename this one over here, and let me say a default flow. All right. So let me actually open this particular free template over here, and here you have instructions on how to use this one. So here you can actually edit this particular business information as you like, and it can actually simply respond to them based on the information you have right here. So in this case, I'm going to use this particular information about a car washing company. So let me copy all the information. I've just copied all the information over here, and let me delete this one and paste this over here. All right, so I have added the company information about the car washing company right here. So let me click continue over here, and now we can actually make customizations right here. For example, if you want to add a wait delay, so let's do a wait delay. So you can actually choose this option, wait, and here what you can do is you can actually wait for a few seconds or minutes or hours as well. So let's do a wait delay of 10 seconds. So here, if you want to delay these AI responses by 10 seconds, so before you send the AI response to the customer, you can connect this particular block right here and simply connect this one over here. So that means all the AI responses will be delayed by 10 seconds. And you can also control the responses based on the channels as well. So what you can do here is that you can add a condition and make this condition as a starting step. And let's say you don't want to send responses on WhatsApp. So for example, here choose current channel is WhatsApp. Alright, so here it will check for the current channel is WhatsApp. If it is not WhatsApp, then we want to trigger this AI right here. So here, if they actually send a message from the WhatsApp, it will not respond, because if the current channel is not WhatsApp, we are actually sending this to the AI right here. As simple as that. When you send AI responses, you have the option to add buttons as well, or quick replies. So let's use a quick reply option over here, and let me add a button saying get discount. And here what you can do is when they tap on this get discount option, you can simply say, may add this message, please call us at this particular company number and mention chatbot to receive 5% on your next service as well. So here you can also add another button, and let's say book appointments, and here you can also send a message over here for them. Let me add this message, you can book appointments here saying call.chattingmedia right here. Alright, so here we have created the default flow with the wait delay and also the buttons, and also here added the channel specific condition as well. So make sure you publish this one, and now you can actually come back to the settings and choose this particular flow, default flow, and make sure the default agent is switched off in all of these AI models, because if the default agent is switched on, it will take priority over the default flow. So alright, everything is switched off. So now the chatbot should actually respond to us based on the information we have provided in this particular AI default reply over here, and also it should actually generate the responses based on the 10 seconds delay as well. So I have actually deleted all the conversation over there as well. So let me send a message again on Instagram right here. Who is this? So let's see how this actually responds to us over here. So here we receive the response in 10-second delay, and also you can see it says this is Sparkle Stream Auto Spa, a premium car wash and detailing service provider. How can we assist you today? And also you see these button options as well. Suppose if I click get discount over here, it will actually say please call us this particular number and mention chatbot to receive 5% on your next service. So here we receive the response right here. Our corporate office is located at this particular address, and also again it simply shows the options as well. For example, let's say book appointments, it should actually send us a message saying you can book appointments here. Simple as that. It's a quick video on what is the difference between the default agent and the default flow. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.